Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of kestrel birds, small but mighty raptors renowned for their speed, agility, and incredible hunting skills. Kestrels are not only mesmerizing to watch but also play an essential role in the ecosystem. Whether you're a bird enthusiast or someone curious about the natural world, this video is packed with interesting facts about these incredible birds. Let's take a closer look at what makes kestrels so special. 1. Small falcons. Kestrels belong to the falcon family and are one of the smallest falcon species in the world. 2. Global presence. Kestrels are found on almost every continent, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. 3. Hovering experts. Kestrels are one of the few birds of prey capable of hovering in midair while hunting. 4. Sharp eyesight. They have excellent vision, allowing them to spot prey from a great distance. 5. Colorful plumage. Male kestrels often have a bluish-gray head and tail with reddish-brown speckled wings. 6. Sexual dimorphism. Female kestrels are slightly larger than males and typically have more subdued plumage. 7. Diet. Kestrels primarily feed on small mammals, insects, and birds. 8. Silent killers. Their hunting strategy relies on stealth, speed, and precision. 9. Head bobbing. Kestrels bob their heads to judge distance and depth when hunting. 10. Ultraviolet vision. Kestrels can see ultraviolet light, which helps them detect trails of urine left by rodents. 11. Nesting habits. They often nest in tree hollows, cliffs, or even man-made structures. 12. Not true builders. Kestrels don't build their own nests, but rely on existing spaces or the abandoned nests of other birds. 13. Monogamous. Most kestrels form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. 14. Egg count. Female kestrels lay between 3 to 7 eggs per clutch. 15. Incubation period. The eggs take about 27 to 31 days to hatch. 16. Fast fledging. Chicks fledge within 4 to 5 weeks of hatching. 17. High mortality rate. Only a small percentage of kestrel chicks survive their first year due to predators and harsh weather. 18. Territorial birds. Kestrels are highly territorial and fiercely protect their hunting grounds. 19. Long migration journeys. Many kestrel species migrate thousands of kilometers to escape cold winters. 20. American kestrel, known as the smallest falcon in North America. It's sometimes called the sparrow hawk. 21. Common kestrel, found across Europe and Asia. It's one of the most widespread kestrel species. 22. African kestrel. These kestrels are adapted to the warm savannas of Africa. 23. Hunting style. Kestrels prefer open areas such as grasslands and farmland for hunting. 24. Perching birds. They often perch on high vantage points like telephone poles or trees to spot prey. 25. Feather adaptations. Kestrels have specialized wing and tail feathers for agility during flight. 26. Noisy calls. Kestrels are vocal birds using sharp, repetitive cries to communicate. 27. Nicknames. In some cultures, they're called windhover due to their hovering abilities. 28. Life expectancy. In the wild, kestrels typically live around 5 years, but in captivity, they can live over 15 years. 29. Symbolism. Kestrels often symbolize freedom, speed, and precision in many cultures. 30. Prey diversity. Depending on the region, they hunt everything from grasshoppers to small reptiles. 31. Solitary hunters. Kestrels prefer to hunt alone rather than in groups. 32. Keystone species. They help control rodent and insect populations, benefiting farmers. 33. Flight speed. Kestrels can fly at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour during a dive. 34. Silent wings. Their wing structure allows them to fly almost silently. 35. Impressive adaptation. Kestrels can survive in urban areas, making use of city structures for nesting. 36. Etymology. The name kestrel comes from the Old French word Kestrel, meaning rattle, referring to their call. 37. Lightweight. Despite their strength, kestrels weigh only 100 to 300 grams. 38. flexible necks, they can rotate their heads almost 180 degrees. 39. Cold resistance. Kestrels living in northern regions grow thicker plumage in winter. 40. Fast breeders. They can reproduce quickly to compensate for high mortality rates. 41. Predator avoidance. Larger birds of prey, such as hawks, are their primary predators. 42. Urban dwellers. Some kestrels have adapted to living in cities, nesting in tall buildings. 43. Talon grip. Their strong talons help them catch and kill prey instantly. 44. Favorite perch. Kestrels love power lines, which offer a good view of hunting grounds. 45. Night resting spots. Kestrels roost in dense trees or sheltered cliffs. 46. Notable lifespan record. The oldest recorded wild kestrel lived for over 14 years. 47. Playful nature. Juvenile kestrels are known to play by chasing each other in flight. 48. Important pollinators. By hunting insects, they indirectly contribute to pollination by controlling pest populations. 49. Human fascination. Kestrels have inspired countless works of art, poetry, and literature. 50. Conservation status. While some kestrel species are thriving, others face habitat loss and declining populations. Kestrels are extraordinary birds that capture the imagination with their agility, hunting skills, and adaptability. Whether hovering over fields or nesting in urban areas, they're a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. If you've enjoyed learning about these incredible birds, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next adventure.